If you're seeing an MSN security certificate error, don't panic. This is usually caused by something simple like the wrong date and time on your device, or a stuck security cache in Windows or your browser. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step so you can get MSN loading normally again. And if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get into it. First, let's check the most common cause, your computer clock. Security certificates have strict expiration rules, and if your device time is even a few minutes off, your browser may think MSN's certificate is invalid. To fix that on Windows, right-click the time and date in the bottom right corner of your taskbar. Then select Adjust Date and Time. Once the settings page opens, make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on. Also turn on Set Time Zone automatically if it's available. This helps Windows stay aligned with the correct time region and reduces certificate errors in the future. After that, scroll down and click Sync Now under the Additional Settings section. This forces Windows to pull the correct time from Microsoft's time server. After syncing, restart your browser completely. Don't just refresh the page. Close every browser window, open it again, and go back to msn.com. In many cases, that alone will fix the certificate warning right away. If you're still getting the error, the next step is to clear the SSL state. Sometimes a corrupted security cache can keep passing bad verification data to Microsoft websites even after your time is fixed. To do this, press the Windows key, type Control Panel, and press Enter. In Control Panel, click Network and Internet. Then choose Internet Options. When the Internet Properties window opens, go to the Content tab at the top. On this tab, you'll see a button labeled Clear SSL State. Click it, then click OK to confirm. This clears the stored security certificate cache on your computer, which can resolve stubborn browser and MSN loading issues. After that, completely close all browser tabs again. If you want, you can even fully exit the browser from the taskbar and reopen it fresh. Then return to msn.com and test it again. If the site loads properly now, the issue was likely just a time mismatch or a cached SSL state. If not, double-check your system time one more time and make sure your browser is fully updated. Outdated browser versions can sometimes struggle with newer security certificates as well. The good news is that this fix is fast, safe, and usually works without needing advanced troubleshooting. Most MSN certificate errors come down to one of these two things: incorrect system time or a broken SSL cache. Once both are corrected, your browser should trust MSN again and load the site normally. If this video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy troubleshooting tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another browser or certificate error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.